Well, a stock to watch out for in today's trading session is Ingersoll Rand. In fact, that stock is down under pressure in today's trading day, and that's largely on the back of the OFS news. So essentially, it's a global company, which is Ingersoll Rand Inc., which is into compressor systems, power tools, lifting and material handling for a number of industries like electronics, oil and gas, aerospace, F&B, pharma, as well as vehicle services and the electronics segment. But the company is in focus in today's trading session as we understand that there is going to be an OFS that has been planned. So essentially, the promoters, which is Ingersoll Rand Inc., they are going to sell up to 14.3 lakh shares via the offer for sale route. Now this represents about 4.52% of the stake of the company via this offer for sale. Now the floor price is essentially the key trigger as to why you're seeing the stock down in today's trading session. So the floor price was fixed at a price of about 578 rupees per share. Now that's coming in as quite a disappointment because it's coming at quite a steep discount to the company's closing price on Monday's trading session on the NSE, which was close to 656.45 rupees. So that clearly seems to be one of the main triggers as to why the stock is down in today's trading session. Now, in terms of details of the OFS, the offer for sale opens for non-retail investors today, that's on Tuesday, and it opens for retail investors come tomorrow. Now, a minimum of 10% of the offer for sale has been reserved for the retail investors, and the parent company, which is Ingersoll Rand Inc., they currently own about 5.52% stake in the company. So that certainly is going to keep the stock in focus. They are looking at this OFS 4.52%, and the price, as we said, is at about 578 rupees per share. So this is quite a discount, and that really led to a weakening in the stock price in today's trading session. In fact, the stock opened on a lower note and currently is quoting lower by about 5.2%. That's at about 622 rupees per share. So we'll be watching out for the company and how things really progress on the OFS.